So, what we have here is a queen snake.
Look at his belly.
Look at that belly, though. That is amazing. Now, these guys strictly eat nothing but crawdads. That's all their diet is, basically. I mean, they might eat a fish here and there, but mainly it is just crawdads. It's a water snake. I know the scientific name, the first part of it is Regina, so I'm gonna call her Regina.
Okay, Reggie.
Reggie.
But this is a male, so.
Yep, we'll call her Reggie. Call him Reggie. But these guys are just amazing little individuals. First snake of the year.
And these guys are in the colubrid family.
Yep.
These are the most abundant family of snakes on the planet. Found on every continent except Antarctica. But queen snakes are just found in the U.S.
You gotta get close up of his face right there. He is so pretty. He's checking out like, dude, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
They're so calm.
They really are.
He isn't even shaking his tail.
No. Only have one of these ever strike at me. Ever.
Along with ringnecks, these guys are probably the calmest snakes you can ever handle.
That's very, very true.
Or corn snakes.
Heck yeah.
And if you want to know how to tell if it's a male or not, find the cloaca. That's their butthole. And if they have a super long tail after that, it's a male.
So if you flip them over, oh, sorry, buddy. Right
There's
there,
the cloaca.
It's the cloaca. Hang on.
If it was a female, tail would be about right here. Yeah. But it keeps going.
So that would be a male.
Yeah. Great to find.
Beautiful little specimen. All right, we're gonna get some pictures of them and let them go.
Okay.
But you guys give this video a huge thumb up for the first snake of the year.
Yeah, my third today and you're first.
You just have to keep going on about that, don't you?
I can't stop. Mine was bigger.
It was. Mine's cooler.
Okay, yeah.